the 2023 Toyota RAV4 versus the 2023 Honda CR-V. Let's learn a bit more about these small SUVs. RAV4's audio multimedia includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. RAV4 and RAV4 Hybrid come standard with Toyota SafetySense 2.5, while RAV4 Prime includes Toyota SafetySense 2.5 Plus, both of which include advanced features like pre-collision system and full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control. RAV4 Hybrid has standard electronic on-demand all-wheel drive and up to an EPA estimated 40 miles per gallon combined rating. Now let's put RAV4 and CR-V side by side. RAV4 is offered in 9 grades across 3 different powertrains. That includes 7 hybrid grades with standard all-wheel drive. One of these is the new for 2023 Hybrid Woodland Edition. RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid is available in 2 grades, both of which are all-wheel drive. CR-V's lineup consists of 4 grades. Sport and Sport Touring are available exclusively as hybrids, while EX and EXL are gas only. Both powertrains are available in front or all-wheel drive configuration. The range-topping Sport Touring grade, on the other hand, is all-wheel drive only. RAV4's chiseled exterior styling comes with standard LED exterior lighting and available roof rails. For a unique touch, RAV4 is available in 2-tone exterior color combinations. It can also be equipped with an available power tilt-slide moonroof or panoramic glass roof. Redesigned for 2023, CR-V features a more refined exterior with standard LED exterior lighting. Sport and Sport Touring are distinguished by their black roof rails and gloss black grille. While a power moonroof is standard on all CR-V grades, a panoramic glass roof isn't offered at all. In RAV4, convenience plays just as much of a role as comfort, thanks to a standard 7-inch or newly available 12.3-inch multi-information display that puts key information and settings front and center. RAV4 is a technological powerhouse inside too, thanks to an available digital rear-view mirror and a head-up display on RAV4 Prime XSE. Meanwhile, the cargo area delivers 69.8 cubic feet behind the front seats and 37.6 cubic feet behind the second row. CR-V includes a standard 7-inch driver information interface screen. Unfortunately, a fully digital gauge cluster isn't available on any grade, neither is a head-up display. In terms of cargo capacity, CR-V has 76.5 cubic feet behind the front seats and 39.3 cubic feet behind the second row. For 2023, RAV4 comes standard with the new Toyota audio multimedia system featuring either an 8-inch or an available 10.5-inch touchscreen. Both displays include standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including music subscriptions, maps, messages, and podcasts. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. RAV4 can be equipped with an available 11-speaker JBL premium audio system to make the most out of Toyota's latest audio multimedia platform. Plus, RAV4 also works seamlessly with Toyota's available connected services, including trials on select grades for Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Drive Connect, and Wi-Fi Connect. Finally, Blind Spot Monitor with Rear Cross Traffic Alert is available on all grades for added convenience. Honda's latest multimedia system features a standard 7-inch touchscreen on EX and Sport grades. EXL and Sport Touring use a larger 9-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility are standard across the lineup. However, only the EXL and Sport Touring feature wireless integration. On the other hand, the Bose premium sound system is exclusive to the Sport Touring grade. Blind Spot Information System with Cross-Traffic Monitor is also standard on all CR-V grades. Safety is a top priority with RAV4, as it is with all Toyota vehicles. This is why it includes Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 standard on gas and hybrid grades, and Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus on RAV4 Prime. These active safety suites include advanced features like a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Every CR-V includes Honda Sensing, which contains active safety and driver assistance technologies that are similar to what's on Toyota Safety Sense. Whether in gas or electrified form, RAV4 proves its worth in its power and fuel economy estimates. The standard 4-cylinder gas engine has 203 horsepower, while RAV4's available hybrid powertrain produces 219 net combined horsepower. What's more, RAV4 Prime offers drivers an impressive 302 net combined horsepower. Meanwhile, dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive and multi-terrain select are also available on select grades, as is a tow rating of up to 3,500 pounds. RAV4 is also highly efficient, with up to an EPA estimated 30 miles per gallon combined rating. RAV4 Hybrid, on the other hand, has up to an EPA estimated 40 miles per gallon combined rating. Finally, RAV4 Prime has an EPA estimated 94 mpge combined rating and 42 miles in EV-only mode. CR-V is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 190 horsepower in EX and EXL grades. CR-V's Sport and Sport Touring grades, which come exclusively as hybrids, make 204 net horsepower. CR-V's lineup, however, doesn't include plug-in hybrid or off-road oriented models like RAV4. Furthermore, towing capacity tops out at 1,500 pounds. Finally, gas grades are rated up to an EPA estimated 30 miles per gallon combined rating, while hybrid variants are rated for up to an EPA estimated 40 miles per gallon combined rating. RAV4 has been recognized by the NHTSA, who awarded it with a 5-star overall safety rating. RAV4 has also been named a 2022 IIHS top safety pick when equipped with specific headlights. Continuing the theme of overall value, RAV4's electrified hybrid grades feature a 10-year or 150,000-mile battery warranty. And every new Toyota comes with Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, as well as 2 years and unlimited mileage 24-hour roadside assistance. CR-V was named a 2023 IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus. For 2023, every new Honda vehicle comes with Honda Service Pass, which provides 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first. CR-V also comes with 3 years or 36,000 miles of roadside assistance, whichever comes first. With Toyota's commitment to quality, durability, and reliability, it's clear why RAV4 is such a smart choice among small SUVs. Discover RAV4 today at Toyota.com.